When I think of Marsha P. Johnson, I think of someone who kids today who are gay know nothing about, which is a shame, really, because she's one of the reasons they are sitting in all their liberated glory today. But Marsha paid the price for who she was.
How many people have died for these two little statues to be put in the park to recognize gay people? How many years has it taken the people to realize that we're all brothers and sisters and human beings in the human race? I mean, how many years does it take people to see that? And we're all in this rat race together.
I do not believe in a revolution, but you all do. I believe in the gay power. I believe in us getting our rights, or else I would not be out there fighting for our rights. The people that are trying to do something for all of us, and not men and women that belong to a white middle class, white club, and that's what you all belong to. Revolution now! Give me a G! Give me an A! Give me a Y! Give me a P! Give me an O! Give me a W! Give me an E! Give me an R! Gay power! Louder gay power!
In the 1960s, gay bars were the place to go for homosexuals, and the Stonewall Inn was the most popular gay bar in Greenwich Village and acted as a refuge from the harassment of everyday society for gays. Like most gay bars during this time, it was controlled by the mafia and illegally served liquor without a liquor license.
The mafia owned the jukeboxes, they owned the cigarette machines, and most of the liquor was off a truck hijacking.
It was impossible for the club to make so much money unnoticed, interesting the police highly. Although raids at Stonewall were almost routine, the night of July 28, 1969 was different. At 1:20 a.m., the peak of the merriment, the police raided Stonewall and something unexpected happened. Gays fought back.
There's hope for a better world. There's hope for a better tomorrow. Without hope, not only gays, but those blacks, and the Asians, and the disabled, and the seniors, the us's. The us's. Without hope, the us's give up. An activist, gay activist, becomes the target or the potential target for somebody who is insecure, terrified, afraid, or very disturbed themselves. knowing that I could be assassinated at any moment or any time, I feel it's important that some people know my thoughts. I stood for more than just a candidate. I have never considered myself a candidate. I have always considered myself part of a movement, part of a candidacy. I wish I had time to explain everything I did. Almost everything was done in the eyes of the gay movement.
Shake them tits, mommy. Shake those tits, mama.
You pay for my tits.
All she want for Christmas is her two front tits. Her two front tits. Her two front tits. Her two. We gave her them for and we gave them to her.
Eat the cake.
Our mother even nurses us. She's a good woman. She nourishes us. My mommy is a drag queen. Look, I sing.
You look at all these models on the wall. Every one of them are gorgeous. Every one of them are beautiful. But every one of them have their own look. This is my idol, Paulina. Someday I hope to be up there with her. If that could be me, I think I would be the happiest person in the world, just knowing that I can compare to Paulina, to stand next to her and to take pictures with her. And I look at her hair and I'd say she's seductive and she's alluring. I look at her there and I say she's sexy and provocative. I look at her hair and I think that she's childish and little girl type, you know, and I look at her hair and it's the same, and I look at her hair and I think of wicked beauty, you know.